Introducing the Consew T1919, the latest innovation in our trusted line of sewing machines. The T1919 is an upgraded version of our current model, built for precision, efficiency, and reliability. Packed with new features, it's designed to meet the demands of today's crafters. In this video, we'll walk through everything that makes this machine a game changer. First, let's unbox. Remove the case lid to reveal the premium build that not only protects your machine, but also makes it portable and easy to carry. Don't forget to grab the thread stand base and tool case before discarding the packaging. In your box, you will find a tool case, small tools, 10 needles, thread pads, oil bottle, bobbins, thread stand spool post, top thread guide, thread stand base, handle, machine body and pedal, carrying case, and thread stand guide. Now let's set it up. First, attach the handle using the screw and Allen key from your toolkit. Remember, the case won't close while the handle is attached, so you may need to remove it occasionally. Next, assemble the thread stand by screwing the top thread guide onto the machine and attaching the base, spool, and stand guide as shown. Now, connect the power cord. It may take a little elbow grease to ensure a solid connection. This ensures the machine operates flawlessly. The T1919 handles a range of materials, sewing veg tan leather up to 10 ounce and chrome tan leather up to 14 ounce, including a variety of other materials. It's compatible with weight 46 to 138 threads when paired with the appropriate needle. While it includes 10 135 by 17 sharp point needles, consider using triangle or diamond point needles for heavier leathers. Encountering a running motor but a stationary needle? Tighten the locking nut. Use your hand strength, or tools like channel locks or the workaround with a strap for leverage can also be very helpful. Your machine needs a break-in period. Remove the front plates, there are 4 screws total, and oil all metal on metal moving parts. Apply 4 to 5 drops of oil per part during the break-in and 1 to 2 drops every 8 working hours for regular maintenance. Refer to the manual's oiling diagram for extra guidance on which parts to address. Finally, run the machine at top speed for 30 minutes in 5-minute intervals. Place a heavy object on the pedal, but stay nearby, and remember, noises and smells are normal during this process. Now that your machine is broken in, let's get it threaded up. Start at the thread stand and move down to the top thread guide. You will thread the top and bottom holes of this guide. Then, come across the top of the machine and loop it around the guide twice and into the thread guide panel. Make sure to use the correct orientation for the thread at this point or your machine will not run correctly. Refer to the video for exact examples. Your thread weight will determine how many of these tension points you use, so play around. Feed your thread around the knob, being sure to catch the hook. Back up through the uptake lever. And finally, feed the thread through the top hole of the needle assembly and then through the needle from left to right. We want to make sure that the bobbin gets installed too, so grab your bobbin and bobbin casing. As with most machines, it is loaded under the needle. Slide the cover off, and with the arm facing up, slide the bobbin in. Then slide the cover back in place. Inside the machine, there is a notch that the bobbin arm must catch, so be aware. Pull the tab, slide the bobbin in, and make sure the arm catches on that notch. To wind the bobbin, start at the thread stand, feed it through the top thread guide, and twice around the second top guide, and back to the bobbin. Click it into the loading position, and press the pedal. It can be helpful to manually help the thread fill the bobbin evenly, so press up and down as needed. And there you have it. So why wait? Experience the precision, power, and innovation of the Consew T1919 for yourself. Visit your local store or explore it online today and take your sewing projects to the next level. Till next time, happy crafting!